Good morning, friends, and welcome to my Sunday reset routine. Good morning, puppies. On Sundays, we take it easy. Honestly, I wake up whenever my body is ready to. This morning, I happened to wake up at 5:45, excited for the day, and so I got up and did some work, and then crawled back in bed when Liv woke up, and we all spent some beautiful time together as a family, sipping coffee, Liv drinking her apple juice, just playing and being silly. And then Doug and Liv love to make breakfast every Sunday morning, and so I've started to take that time to do a quick load of laundry. If this is content that you guys like to see, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. Don't forget, a little like goes a long way in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks guys, and let's get back into my Sunday reset routine. I used to try to get all the laundry done during the week, but I felt like it was taking up so much of my time that I could be using being creative or being present with Liv, maybe getting my workout in. So since they're playing and having such a good time, just the two of them, I just take 10 minutes to change the sheets, throw in a load of laundry, and then go join them for breakfast. Plus it gives me a little bit of extra me time throughout the week, which is really important. And one of my goals is to really be present in all areas of my life. Be really present with work when I'm working. Be really present with Liv when I'm with Liv. Be really present when I'm journaling and spending quality time with Doug, detaching from the phone and just really being all there. And taking these 10 minutes while Doug and Liv are, doing something by themselves gives me that freedom throughout the week. Something that I'm trying to implement on a daily basis, but especially on Sundays, is just 5 to 10 minutes of being quiet, lighting a candle, doing a little meditation, and connect with my breath and my body. I love this book by Louise Hay. It's full of incredible daily meditations that help me break down limiting beliefs and get me in a strong, positive mindset for the day. After my meditation, I love doing my daily gratitude journal. If you don't already have a gratitude practice in your daily routine, stay tuned because I have a beautiful free template coming out soon. I will be announcing it first over on my Instagram, so go follow me over there. I'm Charlene _, for more up-to-date information and lots of psoriatic arthritis support. Sundays are also my day to review what I've accomplished in my personal and professional goals from the previous week and to set my intentions for the week ahead. If you want more information about my goals and how I make them and how I stay accountable with my goals, stay tuned for April's goal check-in. It's going to be a good one, you guys. After I've spent about 15 to 20 minutes by myself catching up on laundry and setting my intentions for the week ahead, it's time to make a turmeric latte. I've recently given up my second cup of coffee and really trying to reduce my anxiety levels and just trying to feel my best overall. And so I've been incorporating either a chai latte or a turmeric latte if I want something hot in the morning. Otherwise, I just jump straight into water. I'll leave my turmeric latte recipe in the description box down below. I will admit, I do like my chai latte a lot better. This is just what I happen to be making today. Now that we have something delicious to sip on, it's time to clean up the kitchen. As you guys know, I like to clean up my kitchen as I go throughout the day. I like to just have my dishes done, the counters clear. That way I don't get distracted throughout the day of, oh my goodness, I need to clean the dishes. It's just done and I have a beautiful kitchen and I'm just more inspired inspired to cook in the kitchen when the kitchen is clean and eat healthy, make recipes, film them for Instagram.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means.
And once the kitchen is clean, we all get changed, and Sundays have been a day where we just spend the day playing at the park, going for walks, going for adventure hikes, just doing something really fun. And it's been so much fun lately. The weather has been beautiful here, so one of our favorites is just walking around our neighborhood and playing at our big grassy park. Something that I'm really trying to incorporate more of in my life is fun. Liv reminds me that it's okay to be silly and have fun and just play. I never played soccer as a kid, but I did love sports. But it's just fun to kick a ball around. And in the past, I would have thought, oh, this is so silly. What are people gonna think of me? I'm 35 years old kicking around a ball on the grassy park. And now I think about it as moving my body. It makes me happy. I find myself smiling throughout the day. It gets me out of my comfort zone a little bit, and it's just so much fun. And honestly, I don't care what other people think about me, and it just feels good to run around and move my body. It's been really fun. So something that I've been trying to do is really incorporate more fun, and Sundays is one of those days where we're just spending time as a family, having fun, slowing down, reading books. We have a wonderful book exchange in our neighborhood, so it's take a book, leave a book, and so Liv will find books and then we'll bring books to put in the book exchange, and so we'll read books. We look for ladybugs and just laugh and smile and spend some time in the sunshine as a family. I did get a workout in this day, but I didn't happen to film it. It was just a beautiful day outside. I did a workout. That has been my Sunday reset routine, you guys. It sets me up for the week ahead. It sets my heart in a really good place, my mind in a really good place, and I've really been thriving lately. I would love to know what you guys do for your reset routine. Please leave it in the comments down below. If this was content that you guys like to see, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. I so appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!